My name's Caroline Farquhar and I live in Strathy on the north coast of Sutherland, and I'm a member of the committee for Fèis which is the Fèis here on the north coast.
I'm Barry McGee and I live in Bitty Hill and I'm involved in Fèis, which is in North Sutherland. And we run weekly workshops, and we've recently started doing weekly residential fèises at Taing, and we get lots of kids from all over Sutherland, from Caithness and recently from further afield, including the islands. So it's really exciting.
It was established in the year 2000, I think, Barry, is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, here on the north coast by a committee of volunteers, and that was when we were a wee bit younger then. So we weren't so much involved with the committee other than just helping out at events and fèis workshops. It was established by 2 or 3 main people, our mum Jeanette Mackay, Sandra Monroe from Bitty Hill, Joan Ritchie. Who were the others involved? There was a few other committee members as well, and the fèis received funding from a variety of sources locally, and this is what started the fèis on the north coast. Then as a tutor I was involved in the fèis quite a lot, teaching accordion and pipes and whistle and whatever else my mother would rope me into, and really enjoyed that. And then latterly we found ourselves on the committee and start again, so we've seen that cycle maybe 2 times now since we started, and we have some of the original people. They come back and they teach at the fèis and they're on our committee and they help out during the summer week, so that's really, really nice. Barry, a song that's a favourite of ours and probably has a big association with the fèis, would you agree, maybe Gleanagolly?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
It's kind of been an anthem of the north coast for a lot of years, through the mod and the fèis. And our mum was a teacher in the local primary school, and that was one of the songs that we all learnt as children while we were there in Far Primary. So it's a bit of an anthem, and in fact, if you look closely at our fèis and our logo, one of our mum's colleagues in school designed the logo, and embedded in the logo is the notation for Gleanagolly. So it's quite a very important special song to us all. North Coast, and when we were growing up here, the gift of music was a gift. It wasn't something you paid for. It wasn't something that you booked. It was just somebody taught you the pipes, or you got to go along. Certainly for us, you got singing at school or after school, and whistle. You got that from somebody you knew who taught the whistle. So in my eyes, that's why it's really important that we keep volunteering, because it gives people access to these things.
Yeah, and you wouldn't get it in this area without parents and volunteers organising these events, because they're just not available to us up here.
No.
Yeah,
it's
but all
really
these things that make you think, oh, it's doing really well, that inspires you to volunteer and keep doing it, I think, doesn't it?
Yeah.